Put simply, we need to modernise how construction works. And that is what the Industrialising and Digitalising Construction Challenge is all about. Liverpool City Region will be the first place in the UK to pilot this model, working with partners including the Combined Authority, Onward Homes, Taurus, and a wide network of industry organisations.
I'm made up, to tell you the truth, with this. I'm really pleased that we've been chosen to be a pilot for this, and the announcement speaks to something that's really personal to me. About 50 years ago, I started as a young apprentice on the building site, and it never leaves you. If any of you from construction or from engineering, you'll know it never ever leaves you. This is enormous for us, that we can do things in a slightly different way. Well, a much improved way actually, but we'll be able to demonstrate that by doing certain things, we can get these unbelievable opportunities for jobs and growth and regeneration.
For us, a home that's affordable to rent and then live in transforms our customers' lives. This is the opportunity once in a generation to build social housing at scale and pace. This pilot that we're involved in will start to set the pattern of how we build houses in this country into the next decade and beyond.
We'll be able to deliver better quality homes within the region. We'll be able to get onto site faster, we'll be able to utilise local supply chains and really sort of tackle issues within the region such as fuel poverty and ensuring that we've got a stable and solid product moving forward.
So the Industrialising and Digitalising construction programme is going to be a really powerful device in supporting industry and creating a new ecosystem that impacts productivity and provides a clearer path to smarter, faster ways of supporting building and growth.
We want to make the construction sector as good as it can be, so that people are living in amazing high quality homes with low energy bills that are better for people, and we need to be building those houses really quickly so that we reduce the phenomenal numbers of people that are having to live in temporary accommodation. And I'm really proud that we get to be part of the solution for that for the country. We can lead the way, we can pilot, we can test, and then in the future what we discover here can be rolled out to other parts of the country.
Well, today's announcement is a really important milestone, I think, for the industry. It's all about harnessing the ability to improve our delivery model, and I think the idea of looking at modern methods, industrialisation, but also the wider ecosystem in which change happens is a really important opportunity which we should grab with both hands. I'm delighted to be chairing the industry advisory group as well as sitting on the programme board, and looking forward to seeing how we can make a real difference for the long term.
For me, it's really exciting, and I think for us at Akerlof, because it shows a significant amount of investment, not just in the Liverpool region, but actually in the sector, in trying to push how we build things forward and trying to do something differently in the future. And I think it's amazing to have this opportunity with Liverpool and all of the parts of the ecosystem it already has to look at tomorrow and what that means for industrialising, for digitising the construction sector, and helping to build a new social infrastructure for the future.
It'd be enormous if we get it right. I think it'll be enormous for the people. The jobs that we could create through this will be phenomenal, and it's interesting jobs. It's not just work on a construction site. It's muddy, it's cold. It's interesting work that brings the best of digital, the best of innovation and technology together as well. So I think creating jobs and homes is just got to be the most important thing we can do.
I think we've got everything we need to make this a real success. The hard bits to come. It's been hard getting to this point, but the hard work is to come. But I'm sure by us all working together, we are going to put Liverpool City Region on the map and ensure that the scale out from this is successful for the UK.
There's nobody out there, if I'm going to knock on the doors and go, do you know what we've got? We've got an industrialising and digitalising strategy. No one will understand that, will they? If you say, however, we're going to be at the forefront of doing things differently, and that will have a benefit, not just to you, but potentially to your kids or grandkids, for the jobs it's going to create, for the apprenticeships that it's going to bring with it, for the regeneration, for the renaissance of what we've got. I know it'll be about stuff that we do perhaps academically, but the result of that will be practical and real for people's lives. And we're dead fortunate we can do stuff here, and it has a direct and positive impact on the 1.6 million people that we all represent.